The human element of human resources. What makes a workplace truly thrive? It's not just targets, processes, or schedules, it's people. Behind every policy, there's a person who cares. The human resources team is the quiet force that ensures employees feel valued, supported, and empowered to bring their best selves to work each day. Whether it's recognizing career milestones, facilitating flexibility for a growing family, or celebrating individual achievements, HR ensures no moment goes unnoticed. Every interaction is an opportunity to make someone feel seen and appreciated. These acts of acknowledgement build a culture where people feel they truly belong. Employees need to feel safe to grow, make mistakes, and seek guidance. HR provides a judgment-free space where concerns are addressed with care and goals are championed with enthusiasm. It's this human-first approach that helps employees unlock their potential and drives stronger connections across the organization. Great HR teams don't just solve problems, they listen, adapt, and lead with compassion. By nurturing resilience and addressing issues with humanity, they create an environment where people are treated as individuals, not statistics. This ripple effect transforms workplaces into spaces of collaboration, respect, and shared purpose. Take a moment to reflect. How do we show empathy in our own roles, departments, or teams? Let's strive to celebrate one another, support each other's journeys, and foster a human-first workplace together. Because, at the end of the day, it's the people who make all the difference, starting with you.